Okay, guys, my voice might sound a little weird, but today we're gonna play Garten of Banban Zero. I already played chapter 1, if you saw it. Bro, I'm not doing that. I don't care really. Ooh, Munner commented. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna play Garten of Banban Zero. What's up, Banban? For a parent looking to save their child, time is delicate. Click the clock to advance time. Yeah, I'm skipping this. Ooh. Don't tell me this is the same. Oh, man. Whoa. Did I press the O? What did I do? What? Is there any way I can skip this? Fine. I wasn't born yesterday. Nah. Sure. Nah. Alright, guys, that was a good video. See ya. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I don't know where I am. The heck you mean? Nah. Wait, the heck you mean? No wonder I felt weird when I went to the store with my mom. Yeah, I remember I was a mid, cause I mean what? Oh man. Let's go, now let me go. Oh, you're transferring the data. Bet. Let me. Allow me. I hate this already.
Stay at the back of the room, away and of course, hands where I can see them. I'm not gonna repeat myself.
Whoa. Who just said that? Oh.
The new ones are always easy to trick. Hey there, I'm 6, your neighbor.
K6?
Suppose I can say, hello neighbor. Wow, your room is so much cooler than mine. You've got a table and a plant and even some shelves.
Oh.
Want to switch rooms?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry, you're probably very confused. Not that I can help with that, but what I can do is help you become more familiar with the place. We can discuss who gets which room later. I see you got your keycard already. You're gonna have plenty of those.
Wait, what?
Which means you'll be needing something to help you keep track of them. Here, take it, it's yours.
Wait, what? Bro got it from his whole butthole.
These keycards will allow you to activate these card scanners, which do all sorts of things. Eyes on the colors of the scanners because they are color-coded. We shouldn't stay here too long or they'll think something's wrong. Let's head to the other room where everyone else is.
Let me go. Thank you. Let me go. Thank you.
You give it a try.
Okay. Oh, wait, so we're case 4?
Ain't this the life? Just play, hibernate, and
Urgent!
repeat. But most importantly, do everything you're told. This place is very cool, but there's someone I want you to meet first.
Are you serious? Who do you want me to meet? Bambalina. Hello, Peter. The heck is that supposed to mean?
Hey, Seven. The new guy's here.
Not now. I'm busy.
What are you busy
You don't
with?
even care to
Staring
look
at the
at him.
rock.
That's the guy? As if one of you wasn't enough.
Wait.
I volunteered to show him around and even taught him how to use the car scanners. Exactly what a good leader does.
Leader? Uh-huh.
Yes, leader. I told you a million times everyone looks up to me. And I'm the leader of the group.
Whatever. Listen, new guy. I only speak with those that are exceptionally smart and are as interested in knowledge as I am.
I already hate you.
You don't look like you even know what you're...
What just
This
happened?
number is...
Don't take what she said too much to heart. She'll come to like you as much as she secretly does me. But it looks like your reputation is not as grandiose as you'd hope. How about you take a look around the place and...
Hey, you started. No. Yeah, I'm not watching. What just happened? Oh, I thought my iPad typed for a second. What do you mean go make more
I'm already your friend. Go make more friends.
That idiot over there wants my treasure! I found it first! It's mine!
Don't mind if I steal it? Oh, man. What's up?
That guy over there wants to claim the treasure for themselves. Over my dead slimy body.
You're weird.
Hey, up here!
What up?
If I jump, will you catch me? I've been stuck up here for hours!
Will you stop glitching?
Here I come!
Hold on. Why didn't you ask me for help?
Because I know you're still angry about the prank I pulled on you the other day.
What? No. I had already forgotten about that. Just jump and I'll catch you. Promise.
Okay, if you promise.
Thank you, Nick.
Whoa!
Did bro scream or moan?
Minus 1 million more. Never prank the prankster.
Yeah, let me help you.
Ow! That really hurt. Thank you. You just earned a friend.
Let's go. What's your name?
That guy over there. Over my dead slimy body.
Well, I'll post part 2 soon. Anyways, bye.